The hidden flame of the Himalayas, the untold story of the red panda. High above the valleys where clouds cling to mountain slopes and ancient forests breathe in silence, there lives a creature so rare and so enigmatic that it often escapes notice. It is neither a bear nor a raccoon, though it shares traits of both. It is older than the giant panda, yet less well known. It is the guardian of misty Himalayan forests, the ember that refuses to fade, the red panda. A creature shaped by time. The red panda, Ilurus fulgens, is a species unlike any other. It represents the sole surviving member of the family Iluridae, a lineage that stretches back over 25 million years. This makes it what scientists call a living fossil, a being whose existence bridges ancient evolutionary history with the present. Fossils of its relatives have been discovered across Eurasia and even North America, hinting at a time when red panda-like creatures roamed widely before their kin vanished. Unlike its distant namesake, the giant panda, the red panda is closer genetically to weasels, skunks, and raccoons. And yet, it is none of these. Its uniqueness is its greatest treasure and its greatest vulnerability. The fire fox of the forests. Its name in Nepali, Habra, is whispered with affection. In Mandarin, it is called Huahu, meaning fire fox, a fitting tribute to its glowing coat. This fur, thick and lustrous, is not just beautiful but practical. The upper body gleams with hues of red and orange, blending seamlessly with moss, lichen, and autumn foliage, while its underbelly and legs are cloaked in deep black, helping it vanish into shadows when seen from below. Its most striking adornment, however, is its long, bushy tail. Marked with alternating red and cream rings, it measures nearly the length of the panda's body. At night, it doubles as both blanket and lifeline, wrapped tightly around the body for warmth and balanced gracefully while moving among the branches. Born to the canopy, though awkward on the ground, where it waddles on pigeon-toed legs, the red panda is an arboreal virtuoso. It has semi-retractable claws like a cat, gripping bark with ease. Most impressively, its ankles can rotate nearly 180 degrees, allowing it to descend trees headfirst, one of the very few mammals in the world able to do so. Its canopy kingdom is more than a playground. It is a fortress. Predators such as leopards, martens, and feral dogs prowl the forest floor, but the red panda finds safety in the treetops, where it rests curled on branches or within tree hollows, nearly invisible to those who pass below. A bamboo specialist with carnivore's teeth. Though classified as a carnivore, the red panda eats mostly plants, specifically bamboo. This curious contradiction has puzzled scientists for decades. Its teeth are shaped for shearing meat, yet its diet is over 90% bamboo leaves and shoots. To manage this paradox, evolution granted it a false thumb, a modified wrist bone functioning almost like an opposable digit. With this, it can deftly grasp bamboo stems and strip them with remarkable precision. But bamboo is a cruel meal, fibrous, low in protein, and difficult to digest. The red panda's gut extracts only about 25% of its nutrients. To survive, it must consume up to 30% of its body weight each day. That means hours, sometimes more than 13 in a single day, dedicated solely to chewing. To conserve energy, red pandas move deliberately, rest often, and avoid unnecessary exertion. Every movement is calculated, every action vital. The rhythm of life. Red pandas are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. As the first light seeps through Himalayan forests, a panda stretches from its perch, tail unwrapping slowly like a banner unfurled. It forages methodically, climbing, sniffing, and stripping bamboo with quiet persistence. By midday, when sunlight turns harsh, it curls into a shaded nook, face hidden beneath its tail, drifting into sleep. Evening awakens it once more, and the foraging resumes until moonlight silvers the branches. This rhythm is steady, ancient, almost meditative. It is the heartbeat of the mountains themselves, played out through the life of a single small animal. Whispers and signals. Though they appear solitary, red pandas maintain a quiet network of communication. They are meticulous scent markers, leaving behind messages written in musk and urine. These invisible trails tell others, "I was here. I am healthy. This is my boundary." It is a language of forests, read by nose rather than ear. Their vocal range is limited but endearing. Mothers and cubs share soft whistles and squeals. Males during mating season produce faint twitters or huffs. Social encounters are rare, but when they do occur, they are gentle, fleeting, and respectful. Life at risk. Yet for all their adaptations, red pandas stand on a knife's edge. Their forests, stretching from Nepal and Bhutan through India, Myanmar, and southern China, are shrinking rapidly. Deforestation for timber and agriculture, coupled with livestock grazing, erodes their food supply. Free-roaming dogs bring disease and predation. Roads fracture ancient corridors, isolating populations. And climate change forces bamboo to retreat upslope, leaving red pandas trapped with nowhere higher to climb. Only about 10,000 red pandas are thought to remain in the wild, though some estimates are even lower. Their survival is one of the great conservation challenges of our time. Guardians of the flame. Despite the threats, hope persists. In Nepal, local communities have begun protecting red panda habitats through ecotourism and sustainable forestry. In Bhutan, sacred traditions that honor forests serve as an unbroken shield. Across the Himalayas, researchers track red pandas with camera traps and GPS collars, mapping migration corridors vital for their survival. Zoos around the world participate in global breeding programs, ensuring that even if wild numbers dwindle, genetic diversity endures. More importantly, these captive red pandas inspire millions of visitors every year, igniting empathy and awareness that ripple far beyond zoo walls. Why they matter? The red panda is more than a beautiful curiosity. It is an indicator species, a living barometer of forest health. Protecting its habitat safeguards countless other creatures, from clouded leopards to pheasants, orchids to mosses. Its survival is tied to the survival of the ecosystem itself. To save the red panda is to save the spirit of the Himalayas, to defend the misty forests where rivers are born, where traditions thrive, and where nature's resilience is still written in flame-colored fur. A choice for the future. In the end, the red panda's story is not yet finished. We hold the pen. Each decision, whether to cut a forest or to replant it, to hunt or to protect, to ignore or to care, writes another line. We can allow this fire to fade into memory, another ghost in the long list of vanished species. Or we can choose to ensure that future generations still glimpse that flash of russet fur among the rhododendrons, still see those curious eyes peering from the shadows, still hear the whisper of the hidden flame moving through the Himalayan mist. The choice is ours. The red panda is waiting.